It takes things like that to change the system sometimes. We have to change the culture, we have to do things like that. And oddly enough, there was quite a lot of condemnation of this, and yet as the Irish Citizen, which was the suffrage newspaper founded by my grandfather, Hanna Sheehy Skeffington, with James Cousins, the Irish Citizen said, it's funny how people who don't mind arming up with weapons to kill people, who don't mind putting bombs in places, are really outraged when women smash a few panes of glass in government buildings. She'd be delighted to see that we've had two fabulous female presidents. We've got a lot of fabulous women in the Oireachtas and the Shannon and in the Dáil. But have we got equality? I think she'd be surprised just actually how we haven't got parity, we haven't got equal pay, we're not equal in the government, we're not equal in the universities, dare I say. And we don't command the respect, I think, that we should. And I think she would be a little bit surprised, and I think she'd be speaking out there and talking about it, because she never minced her words, and she might be doing some more direct action. And that's why I'm commemorating this too, to commemorate women like her who today are speaking out and who can speak out and who take action.
Women are very much neglected. We're the neglected species, the neglected part of the human species. I think it's important to commemorate the fact that there was something very physical and very literal done to try and highlight the fact that women didn't have a vote when men were getting the vote.
What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Let's see your face.
Vote for women!
Wow! That's it. Yeah!